we're going to fabricate it. We're going to take the truss off. And around. Okay. So we'll use the tail for stock. Okay. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the legs off. Leg and breast, pop it out. Okay. Just like this. If there's any extra fat, take it out. So it's nice and clean. No foreskin here. Then what you want to do here is cut underneath. Alright? You want to pop the leg out. Hold this on the side. Take your knife alongside the chicken and turn it 90 degrees into the chicken and get that oyster. Pull. Okay, and then from pulling, just cut. And we have the chicken leg. It's not a leg quarter, it's a leg because there's no backbone on it. And you can see a little femur there. But what you want to do is get that oyster off. Turn the leg over a second time. You always want to hold the part you're cutting. Cut between the leg and the breast, pop it out. Now, if you have skin here, just open it up. Same technique. Come underneath the backbone here, come alongside, take as much meat off as you possibly can. Then what you want to do is cut alongside here, into the chicken, and pull. Cut the skin. You want to get that little oyster there. That's what we're trying to get. And we'll put it just like this. Because it's nice, it's an easy pair. Alright, easy portion. And these oysters are nice and clean. And then what we have to do, there are two bones we have to cut alongside. Get that right in there. And pop that out. That's called a schneck. Back and neck. Schneck. We'll cut it over here because we're going to make stock for that. So we have our wings, our legs, our bones, and now we have airline chicken breast we're going to make, or chicken supreme. We have the breast here, we have the rib and the keel. The rib and the keel. What we're simply going to do is cut in here, break it open. Okay, no problem here. Take your thumb, go alongside the keel bone, nice and smooth. Those are your chicken tenderloins, right here. Open it up, hold it down, and pull it apart. So as you pull it over here, that's your keel bone. Now what we have to do is take the chicken breast, the bones off. Take your knife, put it underneath, push through again, scrape it. The only thing you have to watch here is going through the joint, going around the joint. You want to pull that off so you can see the rib meat here. Turn a piece of meat, the chicken breast around. Same thing here. Scrape it. I've shown this technique to many students. And once you master this technique, it's a lot easier to fabricate chickens or any poultry. Okay. And what you have here is the chicken breast, full chicken breast. Alright. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to separate it. What we do is we cut down the middle on one side, and then we cut down the middle on the other side, so your center is gone. Any heavy cartilage. I'm going to put it with the breast, with the bones. Trim this around a little bit. Okay. So we're left with the wing. Now what we must do, okay, we're going to have to cut in on the wing on a straight, so that blood, when you cook it, the blood can come out. Just like that. In this way, we're going to put that with our stock. We're going to keep the chicken tenders in. We're going to look at it. We're going to straighten it out a little bit. Right there. And then we're going to do the same for this side. Rule of thumb on a chicken tenders, if one has it, the other one has to have it. Okay? Over here, we're going to keep that straight. We're going to cut this straight. Cut it so you can see the blood out here. Look at it. Now it's a little fatty over here. We're going to take that off. Go straight over here. So, you have the wings, the legs, the bones, and the breast of airline chicken breast. I want to show you one more thing.